Hey everyone, EnigmaCoinCollector here, and today's the day that I got my 2023 Morgan dollar in the mail. Literally 15 minutes ago, got home, saw that it was in the mailbox, and I'm going to do an unboxing video because I'm behind on my videos and I thought you guys would really want to see this. Now, I do have my 2021 Morgan dollar from the Philadelphia Mint so that we can kind of compare and see if the quality is the same, how they look. The complaint on these was that there was no cartwheel effect. I'm not really expecting to see that on this one because this is the same type. It's the uncirculated finish, so I'm thinking it's going to be about the same. Hopefully we'll see a little bit more when it comes time for the proof and the reverse proof designs later in the year. Either way, we're going to go and get this unboxed. I'm excited to see what we've got from the Mint this time. Oh, they didn't even pull the tape on the liner. Oh, the United States Mint. Not even sticky at all. It says remove the liner for the adhesive. What are you gonna do? And here is the box. And I don't have the box for 2021 available. I do have it somewhere, but you can see it's still got that black packaging that the Mint switched to a few years back. And let's go ahead and get this out. Let me zoom down so that you can see what I see as I see it. Get that off to the side and see this Morgan dollar. So there is the Certificate of Authenticity 2023 Morgan dollar from Philadelphia. Looks like it's a different type of card if memory serves from the last one. But that is what it is, and there is the coin. Let's take a look up close. It's in its capsule. It's not moving around, which is good. Maybe the packaging is a little bit redesigned. It looks great. Let's see if we can get it out. Now, I did have this set up on my subscriptions. The Peace Dollar has yet to ship, which I think is very interesting. Has anyone else gotten the Peace Dollar yet? Mine hasn't even shipped yet. So I'm thinking maybe they're just doing the Morgan dollars first until they get all sent out, then they'll do the Peace Dollars. And here is the coin, 2023 Morgan dollar from the Philadelphia Mint. It looks great. I don't see any imperfections, any blemishes, any milk spots. It looks really nice actually in hand. Let's check out the reverse. And I'm not seeing anything that is cause for concern. It looks really, really good. 70 in my book. You can see that it definitely does not have the cartwheel effect like the original Morgans did. Definitely very similar to the 2021s. Yep, you can see it's very, very similar to the quality. Now this is behind other plastic, and this kind of looks a little bit duller. The 2023s look a little bit duller. At least this one does in hand. This one looks a little bit glossier, not mirror finish, but it just looks a little duller on the 2023s. I don't know if that's coming across on the camera. Maybe it's the different types of plastic that these are behind. But I am going to send this off to get graded. This looks to be a 70 in my book, like I said. We'll see how it fares when I get it back from grading. But let me know in the comments what you guys think of this coin. Are you guys getting it? Have you gotten your Peace Dollar yet? Are you going to send yours off to get graded? I certainly am, and I'm excited to do that, see what kind of grade we get back yet. Also looking forward to the proof and the reverse proofs coming out later this year. So yeah, this is just a quick unboxing video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Are you getting yours in the mail yet? They shipped out on Thursday, and here it is Monday, and they're already in hand. So very, very cool stuff. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. That's going to do it for this video. Remember, it's always a mystery until you open that box from the United States Mint and see how they messed up this time, but in this case, they didn't. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. I'll catch you on the next one.